Hi guys, I forgot to do the intro for this video, but no worries, let's just jump into the video and showing you how I do my Apres gelx. And so I first start by filing a thin layer of my nails just where like it's very shiny so that the nails can last longer. And then after that I apply the dehydrator and the primer. These are from Modelones. And then I love this these nails. These are from Amazon and I use the this gelx. It's a nail glue but it's gelx. And so I apply a thin layer and then kind of like a drop on the corner like you can see right here, and then I start by applying it by the cuticle area and then pressing it gently, trying to not pass a natural nail, and then I blend the cuticle area so that I don't have any extra glue and everything looks natural and blended. You can also buff your nails before going into the nail art and painting them. And so I apply a thin layer of this light pink nail polish. I can link it down below for you guys because I always love this light pink or like almost natural color. So yeah, I apply a thin layer and I cure it, and then I'm going into doing the French. And I like using this thin nail art brushes. They're so much easier. So I start by doing kind of like the shape of the French tip, and then I just fill it in. And then to add something different, I found these stickers and I applied them to my nails. I only did 2 in the ring finger, and I applied some top coat so that they wouldn't fall off, and obviously cure it. And that's basically it for these nails. They're like very natural and like clean nail look, but still looking very cute with these stickers.